We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT Plus effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. This is where you'll start your ChatGPT Plus experience. Once you're there, sign in with your OpenAI account. If you haven't upgraded to Plus yet, you'll see an option to do so on your dashboard. Click on the Upgrade button, and you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. After the upgrade, your account will be set to ChatGPT Plus, giving you access to enhanced features like faster response times and priority access during peak times. Now, start a new chat by clicking on the New Chat button on the left sidebar. You can type your queries or prompts in the text box at the bottom of the screen. One of the great features of ChatGPT Plus is its ability to handle complex queries more efficiently. So feel free to ask detailed questions or request assistance on varied topics. You'll notice that responses are quicker and often more detailed compared to the free version. If you ever need to go back to a previous conversation, use the History tab in the sidebar to view all your past interactions. This can be handy for tracking down useful information you may have asked before. For best results, try being as specific as possible with your queries. The more detail you provide, the better the model can assist you. And remember, ChatGPT Plus is continually updated, so always check for new features or improvements that might enhance your experience even further. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.